Hello guys, I'm Nivedita and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a January favorites video. So I'm going to be sharing few of the products which I absolutely loved using in the month of January. So all these products which I have been using, I am using it for the first time. So basically it is going to be an in-depth review of each product. And obviously if I'm sharing it with you all today, it means that I absolutely loved using them. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So let's first start with my favorite skincare products, and the first set of products which I'm showing you all are from Body Shop. It is the Body Shop Oils of Life Intensely Revitalizing Cream and the Facial Oil, and this is how the product looks. So let's take a moment and appreciate how beautiful the packaging itself is. It looks so beautiful, it looks so luxurious. So these products are perfect for people who have extremely dry skin. So for me, I have normally dry skin on the normal days, but during winters I get extremely dry skin, and I was in need of an extremely moisturizing cream, and that is when I got these in my hand. So the properties of these products are, first of all, it helps in moisturizing your skin, and it just does that work beautifully. The second thing is it helps in revitalizing and replenishing your skin. So these products are made of three very precious oils. The first one is black cumin seed oil, camellia seed, and the rosehip oil. So basically these products are a combination of all these three oils. And talking about the consistency of the product, so this is how the cream looks, and it is very soft on your skin. It doesn't leave any grease. It is non-sticky, it is very light on skin, and it just moisturizes your skin very perfectly. You can see how good a work it is done. And then we have this facial oil which you need to use at night once you just finish cleansing your face. So both these products have the same properties, right? It's just that one is a day cream and the other one is a night oil. This is a facial oil, and this is how the consistency looks. So if you just apply this at night and morning when you wake up, your skin feels so soft. And like I told, I have an extremely dry skin, but ever since I've started using these two products, my skin feels so much better. So before moving on to the next product, let me tell you all, I will be leaving links to all the products which I can find online down in the description box. So if you are interested in purchasing it, you can always check my description box and just go purchase them. So coming to our second skincare product, this is something which is very important in our daily skincare routine. So I am talking about a sunscreen, and this is our second product. This is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50+, and it is water resistant, sweat resistant, and it does not clog your pores, and it is paraben free. That is something which I absolutely love about this product. I hope all of you know how important it is to use sunscreen, not just when you're stepping out of your house, but even when you're sitting at home. And there are few sunscreens which leave a white cast on your face once you apply them, but this here doesn't do that. I ordered it up from Amazon, and while I was checking this, it showed that this was the #1 bestseller in sunscreen. So yes, it is perfect. I will show you all how the consistency of this product is. It is very lightweight, and here you go. You can see how easily it just absorbed to your skin. And yes, there you go. No white cast. If you're looking for a good sunscreen, I absolutely suggest this. This is Neutrogena Ultra Sheer SPF 50. So the next product which I'm going to be showing you all is a body butter. So this is the Petra Uplifting Body Butter, and this is how the packaging looks like. So this was a gift given to me, and this brand called Petra is a luxurious skincare brand, and this is from Jordan. So all the products from the Petra brand contain dead sea salt and minerals which they have sourced from Jordan. So this one is with shea butter, aloe vera, jojoba oil, and rosehip oil. All these are very good for your skin, and this is how the butter looks. So tempting. It smells so good. This is just perfect for people who have dry skin because it just helps in locking the moisture on your skin once you apply it. So yes, this is our next skincare product. So with this, we have come to the end of the skincare products. Now that we're done with our skincare product, let's now move to the hair care product, which I absolutely love. So I have just one hair care product, and this is from the Face Shop. This is called the Argan Therapy Curling Essence, and this is how the packaging of the product looks like. So this is for girls who have wavy to curly hair, and this is how the product looks like. So the main ingredient in this product is the Moroccan argan oil, which gives a very moisturizing effect to your hair. So basically this is like a cream. This is like a moisturizing cream. You take a little amount, just apply it to your hair. So if you have very dry and frizzy hair, or even curly hair which tends to get very frizzy at times, you can just use this product on your hair before styling your hair. This product smells so good. Wow. And it just very instantly gives you that put together look. Since I have a very curly hair, it just tends to get very frizzy, and I have my hair all around, so it just helps in taming all those small hairs which keeps popping up. So yes, this is one product I love. Let's now move on to few makeup products, and the first in the list is the NYX Professional Makeup Born to Glow Foundation. This is how the packaging looks like, and I am in the shade Medium Olive. The main characteristic of this foundation is that it gives a very natural finish to your face. It doesn't even look like you have applied a foundation on your face. So yes, this is not a full coverage, it just gives a very medium coverage. That is why it just gives a very natural finish. Anyways, the shade is just perfect for me. Let me show you all how this looks. It has a very good consistency, and yes, how much I am taking. Look at how nicely it blended onto the skin. So this is how beautifully it blended onto the skin. So yes, this is my perfect shade. So if any one of y'all who are in my complexion wants to try out a really good foundation for everyday use, so this is what you can get. Again, this is the Born to Glow from NYX Professional. So in the same category, I have the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. This is also from the NYX Professional. So basically, this is like a liquid highlighter. You can apply this after your foundation or before your foundation. If you want a very shiny and a dewy looking makeup, you can apply this before you apply your foundation. You just need to take a very small amount and just apply it all over your face, and then go with applying your foundation. It just gives a very, it just gives you a very natural shine from within. So this has a little bit of pink undertone. Let me show you all how this highlighter looks. So yes, I've taken the highlighter here, and can you see the shine already? See? So yes, if you just want a very natural looking shine, you can always go for this. So the next product is again from the NYX Professional Makeup. I don't know how I ended up selecting all my 3 favorite makeup products from the same brand. It was merely coincidental. So this one is the Eyebrow Cake Powder, and this is how it looks. And I have seen a lot of them raving about this product, and I definitely wanted to give it a try. Usually I use the pencil, like the eyebrow pencil from Benefit, but I just wanted to give this a try. So this is how the product looks like, and you have 2 shades. You have the dark brown and the dark gray, and this, what you're seeing here, is a transparent gel. So you have 2 brushes. So you have one to apply the product, and you have a small spoolie to apply this gel. So basically you just take the shade which you want. Like I am just taking this and just tap off the extra and just apply it on your eyebrow, and then you get this very small spoolie. You just need to take a little gel from here, and you just need to brush it over your eyebrow. This is a pretty good eyebrow product if you want to try. So now moving on to my favorite fragrance, which I am so madly in love with, is This here from Calvin Klein, this is how the packaging itself looks. Look at how classy the packaging looks like. At first I didn't even feel like using it because, you know, like I just want to keep it this way. And again, this was a gift given to me, and the smell is to die for. Oh my god, I can't explain it to you all how this particular thing here smells. It is beyond beautiful. This is by far in the list of the best perfumes I have ever used, and this perfume is not in a very affordable category because it's Calvin Klein, but however, you will not regret purchasing this. So yes, this is my favorite perfume. So now moving on to the favorite book I enjoyed reading is this one by Mary Higgins Clark, and this is called The Every Breath You Take. Mary Higgins Clark, she is known to be the queen of suspense novels. I have read a lot of her suspense novels, and I can tell you that there's no doubt why she is called the queen of novels, and she is the New York Times best-selling author. So this book here is about a TV producer who investigates a Met Gala murder of a very famous lady and all the things which surrounds that. I mean, like, she uses very simple English, no complicated terms, no complicated language. Everything is very simply and naturally written, and that is what I love about this author. See her here. You are someone who's like me, who loves reading investigative and suspense novels, you definitely need to get your hands on this book. So now coming on to the last section, which is the Netflix series which I love watching. The first series which I am completely hooked onto is the Gilmore Girls. Basically the first series of this particular one released back in 2000 when I was, how much, like 4 years old, and it has around 8 seasons, and I don't know why all this while I have just ignored it. I just started the series on 2nd Jan if I'm not wrong, and I am already in the 4th series. You know now what I'm talking about, right? This series is about a relationship between a single mother and her daughter. It just makes you feel so good, and it all happens in a very fictional place called Stars Hollow, where there are very colorful characters. You definitely have to start watching it. So now coming to our second series, it's called the Bridgerton. So now this series is mainly about the Regency era in England and about a family called the Bridgerton, which has 8 children, and all 8 of them are just searching for their love. And this just has 1 season as of now, and this series is more of a romance drama, and it is so colorful. I mean, the way they portray each character and the storyline as it goes forward, it's so nice. And yes, that's about it. That was all the products, books and the movies which I loved using, reading and watching in the month of January. I hope all of you enjoyed watching this video, and like I mentioned before, I will definitely leave a link to all the products which I mentioned in this video down in the description box. You can just click in the link given below and that should help you. So yes, I will see you all in my next video. Until then, take care, stay blessed. Bye.